I'm Marty Lafferty. You're invited to gain a fresh perspective on the future of cloud computing and regional data centers this Wednesday and Thursday at Southeast Asia's newest forum in Johor, Malaysia. Data Cloud Southeast Asia, co-sponsored by Broad Group and the DCIA, will take place on April 8th and 9th at Traders Hotel in the rapidly growing section of Johor known as Iskandar. Representatives of regional and international enterprises are invited to attend on a complimentary basis. Johor is an expanding area for data centers, and our event will provide a unique opportunity to join the region's business leadership as we highlight the unique value of information technology infrastructure in Southeast Asia. Iskandar, with ample available land for industrial development and very close proximity to Singapore, is ideally situated to become the new data center hub in this globally important territory. At this event, we will hear from the Chief Executive of the Iskandar Regional Development Authority, which will host a networking cocktail reception on the evening of April 8th. Two leading ministers from the Malaysian government will also address our delegates, who will be invited to meet with government officials during their stay, as well as tour data center sites. Our conference has also been extended to include a finance and investment symposium for data center and cloud computing, bringing investors and business owners together in a valuable networking platform. Key objectives for our event are to provide a current assessment of the data center sector in this geographic region, as well as to promote new business opportunities among attendees. How far has this sector advanced in valuations? What are current and future risk assessments? And why is the overall economic outlook for IT infrastructure assets more attractive here than elsewhere? How will modular data centers contribute? What are the physical considerations, including architecture, connectivity, and power consumption issues? Dato Yasmin Mahmood, CEO of Malaysia's Multimedia Development Corporation, said it well. Bringing together users and business leaders with an expert academy of speakers, this event has a content-rich agenda and high business networking values. To register at no charge, please email enquiries@broad-group.com as soon as possible. Share wisely and take care.